The Employment Standards Act of British Columbia sets minimum standards for non-union workplaces across our province. This video explains the rules governing hours of work and overtime for most BC employees. Different provisions apply to certain workers in transportation, oil and gas, high-tech, silviculture, and agriculture, and to taxi drivers, managers, and commission salespeople. See the Employment Standards Branch website for a full list. Employees are entitled to a 30-minute meal break for every 5 hours worked. Employers don't have to pay for this time unless they require staff to work or be available for work during a break. But employers are not required to provide coffee breaks. Employers can require staff to work a split shift so long as it spans no more than 12 hours. An employee who reports for work must be paid for at least 2 hours, even if they work less than that. If the employee is scheduled for more than 8 hours, he or she must be paid for at least 4. Should work stop for reasons beyond an employer's control, the employee must still be paid for at least 2 hours. If work stops because the employee is unfit, an employer only pays for actual time worked. Employees working under averaging agreements have their own rules for overtime. See the Employment Standards Branch website for more information. There are 2 types of overtime: daily and weekly. These should be calculated separately. An employee who works more than 8 hours in one day must be paid time and a half for extra hours worked. After 12 hours, double time applies. Daily overtime is paid even if an employee has worked fewer than 40 hours that week. An employee who works more than 40 hours in a week must be paid time and a half for extra hours worked. Weekly overtime is paid even if an employee never works more than 8 hours a day. Every employee must have at least 32 hours in a row free from work each week and 8 hours off between shifts. If an employee is needed to work during an emergency, an exception can be made, but employers can never ask or allow an employee to work excessive hours or hours harmful to his or her health or safety. Help keep BC a fair and prosperous province for us all. Know your rights and your responsibilities. Get more information about BC employment standards. Visit the Employment Standards Branch website or call 1-800-663-3316.